Okay, so to sum in this question, right? This is a very good question actually. मतलब मज़ा आ रहा है ये मतलब सीखने में ना कि कैसे करना चाहिए एंड कैसे हैश मैप्स कैसे यूज़ करना है अगर वो अच्छे से सीखना है ना दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर दैट. सो क्या क्या अभी फोकस लॉक हो गया. सो क्या है ना कि अभी क्वेश्चन क्या है बेसिकली 2, 7, 11 और 15 ले लो. ठीक है. एंड टारगेट इज़ 9. We need to find two elements which will get this target sum. और बस एक ही ऐसा सोल्यूशन मिलने वाला है इस पूरे एरे में एक ही सोल्यूशन मिलेगा ऐसा. सो अभी इसमें अगर हम ट्राई करेंगे मतलब लुक करना चाहेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे. ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि इसको पकड़ो और बाकी सबके साथ ऐड करते रहो. अगर 9 मिल गया तो हो गया. तो वो क्या होगा बिग ऑफ n इंटू एन ले लो n स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो n स्क्वायर तो नहीं चाहिए हमको. n स्क्वायर से अच्छा क्या होगा हैश मैप यूज़ करते हैं. चलो हैश मैप कैसे यूज़ करेंगे फिर. अभी व्हाट आर वी वर्किंग विद. हम नंबर्स एंड उनके इंडेक्सेस के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स मेक अ हैश मैप फॉर नंबर्स एंड इंडेक्सेस. सो फॉर 2 it will be 0, 7 it will be 1. I'm not sure if I should take from 0. Yeah, 0. अपना एग्जाम्पल में भी 0 यूज़ कर रहे हैं. 2 0 फिर 7 1 11 का 2 एंड 15 का होगा 3. सॉरी आई एम लुकिंग एट दी फ़ोन कैमरा एंड राइटिंग सो थोड़ा सा अजीब सा राइट हो रहा है बट एनीवेज. So we'll have this hash map and this hash map will be used to fetch the item that is missing. For example, we looped on 2. Okay, 2. When I loop on 2 the hash map should be empty because I cannot use the same element again, right? If I already have 2 in the hash map and I'm at 2 right now, then it will look for 2 and then give me 2 comma 2 which is 0 comma 0 index. Or sorry, if let's say if it was some target was 6 and I got 3, then it will give 0 comma 0 which is like the same element same index if it's an even number, and we don't want that. So instead of that we will keep the hash map empty and if at the beginning, and then we'll start with the first element. Okay, this is the first element. Then okay, I can't really like, sorry, how to this. We'll get the difference, add this in here, and then check the next element 7, add this in here. So be difference जो रहा, right? We'll calculate the difference every time. So 7 minus 9, sorry 9 minus 7, we'll check that. 2, does 2 already exist? Yes, it does exist. So then return the current index that I'm at and the index that is already in the hash map. So this is how we will work with. Let's go to the code. Okay, so let's start working on this code part. So first we'll create the hash map. I'll use a dictionary for this one. So for I comma n in enumerate. So what does enumerate do? Basically, if you have an array and you want to get the indexes as well. So I will have the indexes and will have the number. 0 has 1, 2 has 14 ऐसे करके. So ऐसे. So enumerate, what do I enumerate? Nums. For I and I comma n enumerate nums, we'll then go through every particular element. So if I'll say if target minus n exists in the hash map, if it already exists, let's just return. What do we return? It's an array. We have to return an array. As you can see here, output is always a tuple, not a array tuple. So we need to return the index of this guy. Like the order that you return the indexes in doesn't matter. You can return the answer in any order. So I'll first return this guy, the target minus n. Okay, comma. I is the current index that I'm at. So when initially it will be empty. So basically we won't have anything at all. And here I'll add it inside the loop. I'll add every particular element. Also this I'll add the element and then value that I have to the hash map, and every value will be linked to its index. Right. There you go. And if you run this now, perfect. 69 milliseconds. Nice. Well, submit it now. There we go. So memory, it doesn't be the memory for this solution. I can understand why, because I'm using a hash map, but let's see if in the future I can find any better solutions for this. So see you for the next one.